Friends, once again, welcome back to ABM YouTube channel. Myself, Sunil Bhutra of Srimati CB Adarsh Vidya Mandir, going to explain you about next topic of an arithmetic progression, that is how to find out sum of first n terms of an AP. In last video, we discussed about nth term of an AP. What was that nth term of an AP? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here small a is first term and small d is common difference. Today we are going to study about how to find out sum of first n terms of an AP. Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This 2a can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, what is A? A is first term, therefore I have written A equal to what? T1. And what is A plus n minus 1 into D? A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula to calculate what? Tn. Therefore, A equal to T1 and A plus n minus 1 into D equal to Tn. Therefore, another formula to calculate Sn will be equal to what? N by 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. Now, I have taken one example. Find the sum of all numbers from 1 to 100. If we want to find out sum of these numbers manually, it requires lot of time. But with the help of this formula for Sn, this can be calculated very easily. In the given problem, given numbers are what? 1, 2, 3, up to 100. Here, A is first term. First term is what? T1, and T1 is 1. And what is last term? Last term is Tn, and Tn equal to 100. And how many terms are there? How many number of terms are there? There are what? 100 terms. Therefore, small n equal to 100. Write the formula to calculate Sn. What is formula to calculate Sn? Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. What is small n? Number of terms. Number of terms are 100. Therefore, S100 equal to 100 upon 2. And what is T1? First term is 1. And what is last term? Last term is 100. 1 plus 100 will give what? 101. On cancellation, 2 50 is 100. Therefore, 50 into 101 will be equal to 5050. Lastly, write the answer. Sum of all numbers from 1 to 100 is equal to 5050. I have taken second formula, second problem. In this, A is 6 and D is 3, and we have to find out sum of 27 term. Firstly, write down the formula to calculate Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. What is n? What is small n? 27. Therefore, S27 will be equal to 27 upon 2 in bracket 2 into a, 2 into 6. Plus, what is small n? Again, small n is 27. 27 minus 1 into 3. 2 6 are 12. 27 minus 1 will give 26. 26 3 are 78. 78 plus 12, 90. And 27 upon 2 as it is. On cancellation, 2 1 ja 2, 2 45 ja 100. Therefore, 27 into 45 will give what? 1215. What is sum of 27 term? Sum of 27 term is 1 to 15. Question number 3. In this question, sum of first 55 terms of an AP is given, and we have to find out T28. T28 means 28th term of an AP we have to find out. And S55 is given. What is S55? 3300. Since S55 is given, therefore I have written formula to calculate Sn. What is that formula? Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is small n? How many number of terms are there? 55 terms are there. Therefore, S55 will be equal to 55 upon 2 in bracket 2a plus what is small n? again 55. 55 minus 1 will give what? 54d. In bracket 2a plus 54d is there. Now take 2 as common term. What will be remaining term in the bracket? A plus 27d. 2 cancels out. Now transfer this 55 to left hand side. It will become what? Divide by 55, and 55 60 ja 3300. Therefore A plus 27d will be equal to 60. Let this be our equation number 1. But I have to find out T28. Therefore I will write down the formula to calculate Tn. What is Tn? Nth term of an AP. And nth term of an AP can be calculated by using the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore put the value of n. N is what? 28. Therefore T28 will be equal to A plus n equal to what? 28. 28 minus 1. 28 minus 1 will give what? 27d. A plus 27d. But from equation number 1, what is A plus 27d? Value of A plus 27d is 60. Therefore, I have put value of A plus 27d equal to 60 from equation number 1. Therefore, 28 term of an AP will be equal to what? 60. Now, in this question, we have to find out sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. Firstly, we have to write down what? What are the even numbers between 1 to 350? Which are even? The numbers between 1 to 350 which are even numbers are what? 2, 4, 6, 8, dot, dot, dot. And what is last number before 350? Last number is what? 348. What is first term? Here is 2. And what is common difference? Common difference can be calculated by using the formula T2 minus T1. What is second term? 4 minus what is first term? 2. 4 minus 2 will give 2. What is Tn? Tn means last term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Tn is given. It is 348. Now write the formula to calculate Tn. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is Tn? Tn is 348. A is what? First term, and first term is 2 plus n minus 1 into D. Common difference is 2. Now transfer plus 2 to left hand side. It will become minus 2. And this term is as it is. 348 minus 2 will give 346. Now transfer this 2 to left hand side. It will become what? Divide by 2. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 173 is what? 346. Therefore n minus 1 will be equal to what? 173. Now transfer minus 1 to left hand side, right hand side. It will become what? 173 plus 1. Therefore number of terms are what? 174. But we have to find out what? Sum of all even numbers. Therefore write the formula to calculate sum of n numbers. Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. What is small n? Small n is 174. Therefore, as 174 equal to what? 174 upon 2. What is first term? 2. And what is last term? Tn is 348. 2 plus 348 will give what? 350. 2 1 ja 2. 287 ja 174. Therefore 87 into 350 will give what? 30,450. Lastly, write the answer. The sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350 is equal to what? 30,450. Now see our next question. In next question, T19 is given. It is 52. And T38 is also given. It is 128. And we have to find out sum of first 56 terms. Means as 56 we have to find out. Let first term of an AP will be equal to what? A, and common difference be what? D. We know that formula to calculate n term. What is that formula? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value of small n. What is small n? 19. Therefore, T19 equal to a plus, what is n? 19. 19 minus 1 into d. What is T19 in our problem? T19 is given, it is 52. Therefore, 52 equal to a plus 19 minus 1 will give 18d. Let this be our equation number 1. Now, T38 is given. Therefore, put small n equal to 38. Put small n equal to 38 in our formula Tn. T38 will be equal to what? A plus n minus 1. What is n? 38 minus 1 into d. What is the T38? T38 is 128 equal to a plus 38 minus 1 will give 37d. Let this be our equation number 2. Now write down equation number 1. What is equation number 1? 52 equal to a plus 18d from equation 1. Now add these two equations. What we get? 128 plus 52 will give what? 180. A plus a will give 2a. 37d plus 18d will give what? 55d. Let this be our equation number 3. Now we have to find out what? S 56. Therefore, write down the formula to calculate Sn. What is that formula? Sum of n term of an AP can be calculated by using the formula n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is small n? Number of terms are at 56. Therefore, S56 will be equal to what? N by 2. N means what? 56. 56 by 2 in bracket 2a plus small n is what? 56. 56 minus 1 will give 55d. And what is this bracket? 2a plus 55d will be equal to what from equation number 3? Value of 2a plus 55d is what? 180. Therefore, instead of 2a plus 55d, I have written what? 180 from equation number 3. On multiplying 28 by 180, I will get what? 5040. Lastly, write the answer. The sum of first of 56 terms of an AP will be equal to what? 5040. In this way, we discussed about sum of first n term of an AP, that is what? Sn. I thank you all for watching my video. Have a great day. Thank you.